Let's now continue from where we stopped in part 37. This is part 38, and we'll continue without any wasting of time. Question 66. Choose the option that best completes the gap. A. This use of English or expo question, expected questions, similar questions similar to what you will encounter in your own JAMB exam. So just avoid any distraction. Open your eyes, your heart, your ears, everything as we go on this class. Choose the option that best completes the gaps. When his car tire dashed on the way, he did not know what to do. Pay attention, oh. JAMB will try to confuse you, but don't allow them. When his car tire dashed on the way, he did not know what to do. A. When his car tire has burst. B. When his car tire had burst. C. When his car tire busted. D. When his car tire burst on the way, he did not know what to do. The answer is D. D. When his car tire burst on the way. Now pay attention. 67. C. JAMB questions are tricky questions. You may think you know the answer, and eventually the other option will become the answer. That is why you are lucky that you are watching this. And this is part 38. If I were you, I will go over and start, after you watch this particular part 37, 38, go over and start from part 1 and watch part 1. This is what we have been doing, giving you expo questions, practice questions, what you should expect in the exam hall. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on use of English starting from part 1, just ask me in the comment section. If you are serious about it, ask me in the comment section and you could have it. Lemmy's father dashed as a gardener when he was young, but now he is a driver. Lemmy's father dashed as a gardener when he was young, but now he is a driver. A. Lemmy's father had been working as a gardener. B. Lemmy's father used to work as a gardener. C. Lemmy's father has worked as a gardener. D. Lemmy's father used to work as a gardener. The answer is D. The answer is D. The answer is D. We proceed. That she switches on the light, the shadow disappears. That she switches on the light, the shadow disappears. That A. Whenever he switches on the light. B. Expect he switches on the light. C. Since he switches on the light. D. Until he switches on the light. The answer is A. Whenever he switches on the light, the shadows disappear. Now we proceed. Remember, what you are watching is part 38, and we have done several videos starting from part 1. And if you want me to give you JAMB past question and JAMB syllabus on your first subject, do you want it? Have I given it to you? Or do you want me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question? Just, if you need them, just watch this video to the end, and I will show you how you can get it from me. The policemen became suspicious as the hoodlums dashed in their office. The policemen became suspicious as the hoodlums dashed in their office. A. Fretted. B. Fretted with double T. C. Fretted about. D. Fretted about with double T. The answer is B. Fretted with double B. Fretted in their office. I need you to open your eyes, so let nothing distract you now. You can see that these questions are tricky, so pay closer attention. It is important that you clear the refuse in front of your house every dash. It is important that you clear the refuse in front of your house every dash. A. Fortnight. B. Fifth night. C. Fourth night. D. Fourth night. The answer, the correct spelling is D. Every fortnight. That means every 2 weeks. I think yes, every 2 weeks. Suara needn't come with us. Dash. Suara needn't come with us. Dash. A. Does she? B. Will she? C. Can she? D. Need she? Remember they say needn't come with us, so the answer needs to be need she. Needn't goes with need, so the answer is D. I want to believe that you are not just playing around with this JAMB. I keep instructing you anytime I have opportunity of teaching you that JAMB is a very, very serious exam. This is not WAEC or NECO. This is not the one your class teacher sets. It's very, very, very serious. So you need to give it rapt attention. Please, if you are reading for 1 hour, double it to 2 hours. If you are reading for 30 minutes, make it. Right now you should be reading at least 2 hours every day. 2 hours every blessed day. JAMB is not joke. Many people will fail JAMB this year. Last year, 1.4 million candidates failed JAMB. And this year, many millions will also fail. So let's not joke with it. Let's not joke with it. You will say that I told you. I want you to be extremely serious, please. Onoka dashed the whole house to find his missing wristwatch. Onoka dashed the whole house to find his missing wristwatch. A. Scourged. B. Scored. D. Scored. D. Scouted. Onoka dash, scourged, scored, scouted. The answer to question 72 is D. He scouted the whole house to find his missing wristwatch. If Ife asks me dash, A. What time it was? B. Was it? What is it by my time? C. What time it is it? D. What time it is? The answer, if he asks me what time it was, because by the time you are saying it, that time has already passed, maybe by some seconds or by some minutes. Let's look at question 74. If the videos I make are beneficial to you, please tell me how you have benefited from my videos. If the videos we make in this channel are beneficial to you, come under the comments and give us a testimony. Testimony time. Tell us how you have been benefiting from the videos we drop for you every day on this channel. If they have not been beneficial, you can also tell us. Okay? There are many ways to kill a rat, so we should be dashed in our approach to the task ahead of us. There are many ways to kill a rat, so we should be dashed in our many ways. So we should be dashed in our approach to the task ahead of us. A. Electric. B. Electric. C. Electric. D. Electric. I hope you can see the options. Electric. The answer is B. No need to waste time. The answer is B. If I were you, I would check out the answer in the comment section. It is often these words or questions that we ignore that you may see face to face once you barge into the JAMB hall. Now let's proceed immediately. I have done other videos on biology, chemistry, physics, government, literature and all the rest, economics, all of them. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on those subjects, just mention the subject in the comment section and tell me, sir, please give me the link to all the videos you've done, and you mention the name of the subject. It will help you. If you are a serious student and you promise me that you will not joke with the link, that you will really settle yourself down with your pen and paper and read, then tell me I could give you the link so that you keep preparing. Audu took this action purely dash his own career. Audu took these actions purely dash his own career. A. Purely on furtherance of his own career. B. In furtherance of his own career. C. To furtherance in his own career. D. In furtherance with his own career. The answer is B. In furtherance of his own career. I hope you are learning. I believe you will not disappoint me in this exam. If you disappoint me, I will be heartbroken. If you come back to me with 130 result in your JAMB, I will be heartbroken. Will you disappoint me? Will you be a disappointment? Okay. Here is Mr. Odumusu, who teaches English dash in our school. Here is Mr. Odumusu, Who teaches English dash in our school? A. English pronunciation. They want to know if you know the spelling. Pronunciation. B. Pronunciation. C. Pronunciation. D. That is pronunciation. Okay. Now look at the spelling. Look at the spelling. What do you think is the answer? Question 76. Which one is correct? Is it A? Is it B? Look at it very well. Oh. Look at it. Then come under the comment and tell me what you think is the answer to question 76. I won't answer it for you. Tell me in the comment section the answer to question 76. That is assignment number 1 for this video. As we move on. Instead of dash, she lied. Instead of dash, she lied. A. Instead of pleading, she lied. B. Instead of her to plead, she lied. C. Instead of her pleading, she lied. D. Instead of plead, she lied. The answer is simple. Instead of pleading, she lied. That is option A. Option A. Let's look at option 78. Of the 3 girls, Oka is the dash. Of the 3 girls, Oka is the dash. A. Of the 3 girls, Oka is the dash. A. So much notorious. B. Notorious. C. Naughty. D. Naughtiest. Of the 3 girls, Oka is it so much notorious or naughty or naughtiest? The answer is D. She is naughtiest. Remember, it is naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. And when we are comparing among 3 options, it will use naughtiest. Right? Now, assignment number 2. Tell me the meaning of naughty. What does it mean for somebody to be naughty? Give me the definition in the comment section as we proceed from this video 38. If you want me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, these are the materials you need. If you need them, just watch this video to the end and you'll qualify to get it free. I wonder how he will dash being absent from school for a long time. I wonder how he will dash being absent from school for a long time. I wonder how he will A. Make in. B. Make up. C. Make off. D. Make out. The answer is, I wonder how he will dash. Is it make in or make up or make off or make out? The answer is simple. The answer is B. How he will make up. Like you say, make up your mind, or how he will make up the notes. Right? That is if you have been falling behind. You can make up and reach where others reached. Okay? Let's now proceed. Please sit on the dash. Please sit on the dash. JAMB will twist and turn you, but you will overcome. Won't you overcome? A. Career. B. Career. C. Career. D. Career. The answer is simple. The answer is C-A-R-R-I-E-R. C. 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 81. I want to dash this chance to acquaint you the latest development. I want to dash this chance to acquaint you the latest development. A. Seize this chance. B. Seize this chance. C. Seize this chance. D. Seize this chance. All of them the same pronunciation, but different spellings. Now I have an assignment for you. There are English words that have the same different spellings but the same pronunciation. What are they called? They are English words, the same pronunciation, the same way you pronounce them, but they have this different spelling. Tell me what they are called. I want to dash this opportunity to acquaint you with the latest development. The answer to option 8, question 81 is B. S-E-I-Z-E. Seize. Getting a well-paid job nowadays is an dash task. Getting a well-paid job nowadays is an dash task. A. Utmost task. B. Upbeat task. C. Uphill task. D. upfield task. Getting a well-paid job these days is an uphill task. So option C, that means it's a difficult task. I hope you are here with me. I hope you are here. Okay, let's proceed. The secretary has no right to dash my affairs. The secretary has no right to dash my affairs. This looks like what Gen Zs will say. The secretary has no right. Those of you that, all of you are Gen Zs. Okay? The secretary, we know the real word, but I believe that you are different. The secretary has no right to dash my affairs. A, spy from my affairs. B, meddle in my affairs. C, toy at my affairs. D, complain into my affairs. This one that concerns Gen Z, I will answer it. Come under the comment section and tell me the answer to question 83. The secretary has no right to dash my affairs. A, spy from my affairs. B, meddle in my affairs. C, toy at my affairs. D, complain into my affairs. I'm waiting for the answer in the comment section. Answer to question 83. Now we move on. Bola studiously avoided dash the questions. Bola studiously avoided dash the question. A, parrying the question. B, answering the question. C, projecting the question. D, destroying the question. The answer is B, answering the questions. She was dodging the question. We move on. The school authority dismissed him for dash, but he won't tell you about it yet. The school authority dismissed him for dash, but he won't tell you about it yet. A, certain reason. B, a reason. C, more reason. D, a certain reason. The school authority dismissed him for a certain reason. That is answer. D is the answer. The school authority dismissed him for a certain reason. That means he has committed one thing. Now, let's proceed. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one. This one is test of orals. Very, very critical. Many people fail it recklessly. Choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the underline. Bo, 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 bo. Is it guy? Or is it bull? Or is it bumper? Or is it goggle? When we come back to part 39, we will continue from question 86. But remember the assignments I gave you to answer them. If you want to receive all those materials, past question syllabus, and all those other things you need, you must do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is join our YouTube channel. We give things to our members. And how do you become a full member? You become a full member by clicking on join and joining. Don't dodge it. See it as an investment. When you join, you receive all the materials. We'll be able to chat you up. You'll be able to ask your questions. You'll be able to call us on the phone. You'll be able to receive direct speaking, direct guidance from us. So go ahead and join. And when you do join, like this video, share this video, share this video, share this video, share this video. Very important. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the format is join our YouTube channel. That is compulsory. Like this video, share this video, share. Very important. Share it on YouTube, share it here, copy the link, post the link on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Telegram groups. Share it everywhere. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Come under the comment and do what? Type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you all those materials you need. I am leaving a very, very important video on the screen for you free of charge. Click on it and watch immediately.